In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect your GoDaddy email to Hostinger so you can manage your messages from one place without losing anything important. By the end, you'll have your existing GoDaddy inbox copied over and ready to use on your Hostinger account. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Hostinger account and that you've already set up the email address you want to use on Hostinger. You'll need that destination mailbox ready along with the password for it. You'll also need your current GoDaddy email address and its password. Having both sets of details on hand before you start will make the process much smoother. Once you're in Hostinger's control panel, look for the section called Emails. This is often labeled as the Email Management area or simply Emails on the main dashboard. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Hostinger lets you manage all your mailboxes, settings, and tools, including importing emails from other providers like GoDaddy. Inside the email section, find the option labeled Email Import in the sidebar on the left. If you don't see it immediately, scroll down the sidebar until you do. Click on Email Import. This tool is specifically designed to bring emails from another service, such as GoDaddy, into your Hostinger mailbox. On the Email Import page, you'll see an option to create a new import. Click on New Email Import Request. This opens the form where you'll enter everything Hostinger needs to connect to your GoDaddy account and copy your messages across. You'll notice the form is divided into two parts, source details and destination details. The source is your GoDaddy email account and the destination is your Hostinger email account. In the source details section for GoDaddy, start by entering your full GoDaddy email address. Make sure you type it exactly as it's set up with GoDaddy, including everything before and after the @ symbol. Next, enter your GoDaddy email password. This is the password you use to sign into that specific email account, not your general GoDaddy account if they're different. Take your time here. If the password is incorrect, the import won't work. For the IMAP server field, enter the standard GoDaddy IMAP server address, imap.secureserver.net. This tells Hostinger where to connect to fetch your messages. IMAP is important because it lets Hostinger copy your existing emails, including folders, from the remote server rather than just handling new mail. Now move on to the destination details, which are for your Hostinger email. You'll see a list or drop down where you can choose which Hostinger email account will receive the imported messages. Select the new email account you created earlier. This is the mailbox that will store your imported GoDaddy emails. After selecting the account, enter the password for your Hostinger email address. Again, this is the password specific to that mailbox. Hostinger uses it to confirm that you're allowed to import emails into that account. Once both the source and destination sections are filled in correctly, review everything for any typos. When you're confident the details are correct, click Start. Hostinger will begin connecting to your GoDaddy email and importing your messages into the selected Hostinger inbox. Depending on how many emails you have, this might take some time, so you can leave it running in the background while you continue working. That's all you need to do to connect your GoDaddy email to Hostinger using the email import tool.